Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We are going to look at just one single month of tech breakthroughs today. But these aren't just small updates. We're talking about stuff so significant, it feels like it's been pulled straight out of a movie. The pace of change is definitely picking up, and we're going to show you exactly how.
So, let me ask you, have you had that feeling lately? The one where it feels like everything is just speeding up? Where the science fiction you read as a kid is suddenly, well, just science?
Well, let me tell you, you are not imagining things. It's real. The future is accelerating, and in this explainer, we've got the proof. We're going to walk through the biggest breakthroughs from just the last month that show this is happening right now.
All right, so where do we even begin? Let's start with the engine that's driving almost all of this change, artificial intelligence. Because the digital brain that powers our world, well, it didn't just get an update, it literally learned a whole new way to think.
To really get what's going on, you got to understand this one huge difference. For years, AI was like a really good cook who could only follow a recipe perfectly. You give it instructions, it does exactly what you say. But this new AI, it's a master chef. It doesn't just follow the recipe, it understands why the ingredients work together. It can experiment, improvise, and create something totally new all on its own. It can actually reason.
And a perfect example of this is OpenAI's new GPT-5 and its thinking mode. Okay, here's the analogy. Before, AI would just kind of read the cover of a book. Now it reads every single chapter. It understands the subtext. It connects all the themes. It goes deep. And this new layered approach makes it a stunning 40% better at complex problem solving. That's not a small step, folks. That is a massive leap.
And look, this whole revolution isn't just about raw power. It's also getting smarter and way more efficient. There's a new AI image generator that's basically the hybrid car of AI. It creates these incredible images while just sipping on energy. And then you've got something like the Alpha AI School Network, which uses AI to give every single kid their own personal teacher.
So, what does a personal AI teacher that never gets tired actually cost? Well, brace yourself. The annual tuition for one of these new schools is $45,000. Yeah, I know. So why on earth is it so expensive? This quote pretty much nails it. We're not talking about just another learning app here. This is a tutor that adapts to how you learn, in real time. If you're struggling, it slows down and explains things differently. If you're flying ahead, it gives you new challenges. It's a completely tailored education, and that's a total game changer.
Okay, so that's the big brain AI in the background. But how does all this crazy power actually translate into your life right now? Well, it's already being baked into the gadgets you and I use every single day.
Check this out. The new Google Pixel 10. You just snap a photo, and before you can even blink, the AI inside has analyzed everything, the light, the shadows, the colors, and just perfected it. It's like having a professional photo editor living inside your phone, working for free, instantly. No skills required.
And this smartification is showing up everywhere in our hobbies. For gamers, new AI-powered drivers from NVIDIA can now render things like hair with this uncanny, mind-blowing realism. For musicians, the new Boss pedal crams an entire vintage guitar shop's worth of effects into one little smart box. And even for your workouts, gadgets are getting smarter, like the new Powerbeats Fit that use this cleverly designed wingtip to literally lock into your ears, no matter how hard you go.
So our personal lives are getting a serious upgrade. That's cool. But this same wave of tech is also being aimed at some of humanity's biggest, gnarliest challenges. We're talking everything from clean energy all the way to deep space.
I mean, just look at the scale of what's going on here. We have a tiny chip that's massively accelerating the search for clean energy materials. We have reusable rockets that are finally making space accessible. And we even have a pharmacy in orbit creating purer medicine. Each one of these things is tackling a problem we once thought was nearly impossible to solve.
Okay, let's dive into that energy chip for a second, because I absolutely love this analogy. They're calling it a speed dating service for molecules. It can test millions of different combinations of nanoparticles in a single afternoon to find the perfect match for, say, a new solar panel or a better battery. This could literally shave decades off clean energy research.
And then there's this number, 30. What does that mean? It means SpaceX just launched and then landed the exact same Falcon 9 rocket for the 30th time. This isn't just about breaking a record. This is proof that space travel can finally be routine and reusable. It's like turning a disposable bottle rocket into a commercial airplane. And that is the absolute key to making space affordable for all of us.
Whew, okay. We have covered a lot, from AI brains that can reason to pharmacies literally orbiting the Earth. So let's just pause and bring it all together. What are the big takeaways? What does this all mean for you?
All right, takeaway number one, and this is a big mental shift for all of us. AI has graduated. It's no longer just a tool, like a calculator. It's now a collaborator. It's a creative partner that can brainstorm with you, solve problems with you, and even invent things right alongside you.
Second big takeaway, our technology is starting to get ahead of us. In a good way. It's becoming proactive. Your phone doesn't wait for you to become a great photographer anymore. It just makes your photos great for you. Our devices are starting to anticipate what we need and just handle it automatically in the background.
And finally, maybe the most important takeaway of all, is that the word impossible is really starting to lose its meaning. Problems that have been around for generations are now suddenly solvable. From finding clean energy solutions at lightning speed to making life-saving drugs in space, things that were pure science fiction just yesterday are becoming our reality today.
It's just an absolutely incredible time to be alive. All of this is happening right now, reshaping our world as we speak. Which really leaves us with one final, exciting question. With all this new power, all these new capabilities at our fingertips, what's the next big problem you hope we solve? Thanks so much for watching.